Okay, just got myself a cotton candy machine, so what do you need? You need cotton candy, and this package is from Cotton Candy Express, and this includes pretty much everything you need to get started. We have 50 paper rollers, we have 3 different flavors. Okay, it's obviously time to make some cotton candy so I can tell you how well it works, if it tastes good or if it tastes like crap. All right, let's make some cotton candy. I have a cotton candy machine. I have a cotton candy machine, Kona. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Okay, I'd like to hang around and talk to you, but I need to make a whole ton of cotton candy and eat it. Hope this was helpful. I'm out.